Waiting.
Just waiting for Ocrevus.
Ocrevus. You look sleepy.
I am a little bit.
I love you.
I love you. It's early and it's a hurricane.
Yeah.
How's that convert to?
157.
You've lost some weight.
I've lost a little bit.
Got it?
Yeah. Nothing crossed.
Perfect. So it didn't print, so I'm just gonna...
Your oxygen's at 98. And your pulse is at 106.
You nervous?
That's blood pressure.
Your blood pressure is 116 over 79.
That's about normal for me, so.
Oh, I love your Crocs.
Thank you. They're Skechers.
Chameleons.
Chameleons.
Yay, we get to murder half my immune system.
So does he do the full 6-hour treatment, this being his first time?
So the first one's gonna go, it just goes at a slow ramp. That's why it's so long.
Okay.
I want to say it's like 4 hours. I don't think it's the 6. They just gave you the 6 for like the whole chair time. So
Oh,
it's
okay.
like for pharmacy to make the med, for us to do education with you. Is it your first time getting it?
Mm-hmm.
So us to do education with you, and you'll get pre-meds too.
Okay.
That's just that extra time.
Benadryl, yay. If you guys slept some cannabis in it, I don't mind.
You're gonna be fun
Hopefully we
today.
got that, right?
I can have that. Kind of funny, I wrote my high school thesis on decriminalization versus legalization, and at that time I chose to decriminalize it. Didn't even think about medical at that point.
Yeah, right. Let's see. Let me get this from you. You okay with the hand?
Yeah.
Okay. Put it down a little bit. Thank you. Oh, maybe actually relax it. See the angles turned. Feels okay?
Yes, it's good.
Try to tease out as soon as it pops out. Right there. You're getting there. Kept some saline. We do that just to kind of keep the vein open, is what we call it.
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, we'll move this out of your way. Sorry.
Okay, and just a general question, do you guys have like a container just in case I do have to pee?
Yeah, like a urinal. Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll grab you one.
Thank you.
All hooked up. Doing. I love you too. Is it good? I got you a cold one because it was hot. So what did they do?
Soluble steroid.
Okay. Mhm. And now you got 2 fingies. Is it good?
Anything I can grab you?
Nothing.
All right, perfect. When this beeps, I'll hang up.
Yay, getting started. Glad I did put these on.
Are you cold?
Yeah.
I'm burning up.
Okay.
If you want me to wheel that out a little further, you can take a nap.
No, I'm fine.
Okay.
We'll see after the Benadryl.
Okay.
I'd rather bend a hammer than bend a drill. That'll make me laugh every now and then.
Every now and then. Comfort.
What? Comfort.
Yeah, comfort.
I'm recording this.
Lots of comfort.
I'm sure you get Jimmy.
Jimmy.
Yeah. We're gonna smoke left-handed cigarettes later.
Okay.
Time for Benadryl, antihistamine. I worked at a water plant for 10 years, so I would just click acknowledge.
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 Until it quiets down, huh?
Until it quiets down.
Yeah, it'll keep. That won't quite do it here. In this case, anyway. So that was nice. Even though I had to come in and change your. Get your Benadryl going. All right.
All right.
You guys okay still? Do you want this bright light on? I can turn it off if you want.
No, that's fine. You leave it on.
You good? Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So now it's 180, 44.0 milliliters. And then that's what she was the Benadryl, the little one.
Yep.
Smile. Benadryl time. Night night.
Yeah. About to start. Yay. My favorite word, I think.
Yay.
Yay.
It's okay.
Here, drip, 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 drip for a long time.
Double check your armband here real quick, please. David Key, 22592218. Perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome. multiple sclerosis taught me one thing, that MAB on the end of these drugs means monoclonal antibody.
Oh, yes, you're right. It is. Indeed. I know I can hardly say the generic. I always go with the brand names.
I've been calling
Ocrevus.
it okra.
Okra.
Because I like okra.
I like okra too. Well, I like it stewed, but I prefer it fried.
Fried.
Yeah.
Me as well.
Yeah. All right, let's see. Let me hook you up here. Alright, I got a filter on it. Goes on a filtered line. Alright. Alright, got you going here. I'm going to give you this emergency button, which is kind of tucked away under here for some odd reason.
Yeah.
Right where you'd expect it, right?
Yeah,
trying to
all
make
the
it
way
more
over.
I know.
interesting for you.
Yeah, so if you start to feel anything different than what you're feeling right now, I want you to let me know. With that emergency button, you'll get a lot of attention, but we just want to know what's going on,
Okay.
and we'll decide from there what to do, okay?
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
All right,
Yell if
thank
you
you.
need anything,
Okay.
okay?
I'll clip it to your pants. That way you don't have to hold it. All right, you let go. Good?
So what time is it?
I don't know. Look at my phone.
$12:03. So that's when I started. 12:03 p.m.
Alright, let me get you up. I
Hello.
hear you beeping here. Let's see. How you feeling, okay?
Pretty good.
No issues?
No issues.
Good. That's what I like to hear. 90 and 45.
Acknowledge all alarms and mute.
Yes.
That would have been me.
I know, but then how would I have known to come turn it off?
Yeah, she can't mute
I
it.
know. Of course, it always goes off as soon as I walk away or you start doing something with another patient.
It's like a little kid kind of.
Exactly. Always the way. I know your kids never want to talk to you all day, but as soon as you get on the phone, they have.
They have something
Yeah.
to say.
Or doing something else.
Exactly. Always.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You're at 163 on the top, and they reset the bottom to 44.1.
Feel okay?
Like priming a pump.
Quit back phone.
Thank you for letting me know before we lost it.
Oh, yeah.
No problem.
Alright, I think I got it on there tight, but if you notice it again, let me know, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Glad I noticed that, huh?
Yeah, you feel it again, just tell me and I'll go get her.
You-
Mm-hmm. What's this? what we are on, which is this one.
Doing my flush. And being observed. Okay, sitting here for an hour for observation. Really wasn't that bad. Fusion done. Just waiting for an hour. Gonna have fun putting all these little clips together.
You
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yay.
I survived.
You did.
You did
I
good.
had no doubt.
You survived. How you feeling?
Tired.
You just wore out.
Not too bad other than that.
You look tired.
Yeah, I can definitely tell my blood pressure felt low to me, a little low.
A little low.
Yeah, but not horrible.
What you want for dinner? Lunch? Breakfast? We haven't ate. I mean, we ate breakfast, I guess. I think the restaurant or the hotel has a restaurant in it. But we'll see if we got room service first. And we'll just do that, because I know you don't want to go nowhere.
Okay. Let's get you disconnected here. Finally, you'll be free of this.
Now you can wiggle your hand
Yeah.
and play on your
Now
phone.
you can play on your phone all you want. Let's see if I can find the end of it.
It's okay. In my head, I just sit around and think of 4 and 5 letter words to describe MS.
4 and 5 letter words. You're gonna.
I bet you come up with new ones every day.
Yeah.
Huh?
And then each time you get access, they'll go back. This is yes, ma'am, just stays there.
Now, of course, it's going to stick real well now that I want it to.
Well, yeah, and it's not wet.
Yeah, exactly. Wrapped up here. And you probably only need this until you get back to the hotel, and then you can
Take it off.
take it
Pretty
off. I
and
just don't want
purple.
it. Exactly.
We get to stay in the Piano Hotel.
The new one. Yeah, I told her.
The piano. Oh,
Yeah,
yeah.
it looks
it's
like a
nice in
piano.
there.
Yeah,
It's
it's pretty
nice.
inside.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
All right.
So you do have your next appointment scheduled on the 12th,
Okay.
Yes.
and I put in some information about the drug you got here. I don't know why they have to print out the 75 pages of things we don't need. Are you already signed up for my chart?
Yes.
Yeah.
He has it.
perfect. This is some information about the drug right here. You can, little light reading if you get bored. And here's the letter I was just telling your wife about for the hotel, okay?
Yeah, cool.
All right, who's the
Thank
keeper of the
you.
things?
Me.
Her.
Yeah,
Always.
That's
I'm-
usually the case.
I'm the
but-
purse. That's
yeah,
what we call
exactly.
me.
I think that's why. Sometimes it's the husband though, and sometimes. So I can't assume.
I
All
know
right.
one thing. I'm whatever she wants me to be because I'd be up shit creek without a paddle.
Aw.
We've
Yeah.
known each other since we were like 9 and 7.
Really?
Mhm.
Oh, that is
Yeah.
so cute.
We both moved away and ran off with other people and then came back and then got together. Yeah.
Aw. And things happen the way they're supposed
That's right.
to. Too.
I told him I
So,
would have
yeah.
killed him in the 20s. We would have killed
Yeah,
each
you
other.
were better for each
yeah.
other
Yeah,
then.
we would have.
Yes, we would
How long have you guys been married?
What?
12,
8? No, it was 7. 8
7.
years.
Yeah, 8.
8 years.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Together, back together, 12.
Wow.
Been here for-
7 was you're supposed to be copper for your anniversary, so I bought her an Echo, Amazon Echo.
Because it's got copper in it.
That's
It's got
awesome.
lots
I
of
love
copper
that.
in it.
Good thinking.
Yeah.
Good
Yeah.
thinking.
Yeah.
That's sweet. All right.
Yeah.
Well, you guys stay safe out
Thank
there.
you.
Stay
You
dry.
too.
Enjoy.
And I
that.
hope y'all are closed tomorrow because tomorrow's supposed to be okay.
Yeah, we're closed
cool.
tomorrow. Back open on Friday.
Did my first infusion today, and I don't feel too bad. Just a little tired. I did tell the nurse infusing me that I had all kinds of 4 and 5-letter words for MS. We won't go into those there. This is always going to be a PG place.